You the real heavy D, Danny.
When I heard you call him heavy D, I was like,
Oh my God. He's a beaut.
I told him to call me and you don't
Yeah, that's what I was like, oh man, I didn't get the whole beginning of filming it. Oh my God. The sun coming through the window.
That's good. Take some of the lower planks off again, like I did on this side.
Yeah, it's fine. In a minute, we'll put that together. Before the end, I want to get some blocks under it.
You don't want to put them in the middle too?
Yeah, I'm going to drop some now.
Put them in the middle, it'll probably help you as well.
You need this piece of right here? Danny, you the real heavy D. You the real heavy D, Danny.
When I heard you call him heavy D, I was like, he's little D.
But you missed the other video. You missed the other video behind that whole thing.
no?
No, it's about the
Probably
same height
level
as
it.
the other side.
Yeah, it'll level it.
Yeah, let me see.
Another one bites the dust.
Well, you got some fascia and top work to do.
Got quite a bit of work to do on this side.
See that?
And yep, a lot of work. Let me see here. For all your towing needs, guys, Steve's Towing. All right, so Venmo, Danny?
Venmo. PayPal, Zelle.
You already,
All the
did you
above.
strap it or just let it ride?
I did strap it. Yeah. You can see what it was.
No.
I saw it. He had it through there and like out the window, right?
Over there, and then it's pretty weighted down to begin with, so that helped a lot too.
So what do you think, babe? You gonna move this by hand?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
What's
I'm
the
just looking at
plan?
my anchor point because I'll have to use my come along.
Come
My
along.
plan is to put my floor jack under there. Well, that one's ready to go. I can get a pipe under there already, but I don't need one there. I need one about this side of it. Jack this side up, get 2 more pipes in, and then hook the come along. I put a come along against one of those trees over there and ratchet it.
Oh.
Pipes, as it pulls forward before it drops, you put another one in front and you just keep rolling. It's just slow when you readjust.
Yeah. That'll be interesting to see.
Yeah, because the turn is what's important because it'll be hard to move it this way.
Yeah.
This
Easy
will be
to-
no problem because
right.
we're just going to be dragging it, but if we get it and it's too far out here and too far away from the fence, we're screwed.
Right. Well, as long as we make this turn good and get this at the right angle, then it'll just go straight.
Well,
You know.
what I do is I bring a plate bar, hammer it down real hard, and bring the come along this way around here, so when it pulls here to a certain point, then I'll let it go, and then it'll pull straight.
You heard it here first, folks. Don't miss it.